Hello, 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 hello. Okay, mic is working. Teach cow. Just change it 1 second. Namaste, Viper. నార్మల్గా ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను. ఐడియా ఉందా? బేసిక్గా అదొక కమాండ్ యాడ్ చేయాలి, దానికి డేటాబేస్లో పోయి చేంజెస్ చేయాలి అంతే. సంథింగ్ లైక్ దిస్. అక్కడ ఏముందా అని చూస్తున్నాను. లేదు. ఓకే, ఒకటి యాడ్ చేస్తా. డాక్యుమెంట్ లింక్ ఏదో నాకు తెలీదు. ఇది ఎక్కడ ఎడిట్ చేద్దాం. అప్డేట్. ఏ హరీష్, అవన్నీ తెలిస్తే ఎక్కడ ఎందుకు ఉంటా. నార్మల్గా ఈ స్ట్రీమ్ అదే లాస్ట్ నుంచి అవే స్ట్రీమ్ చేస్తాను. వెల్కమ్ వెల్కమ్ టు స్ట్రీమ్ హరీష్. మనీష్. ఓ, హరీష్ అండ్ మనీష్ both are here. Too hard, bro. 1 minute. I will turn on my fan. Okay, I am back. So I just added my Instagram as well as a few more commands. We'll update all those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Links. Do you want links as well? Okay, let's add that. Insert. Okay, keyword link. I'll just add link and press value. So in value, what do you guys want? So we gotta keep it realistic. So don't save all these. Don't save. Okay, 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 okay. So this is still there. Don't save. Okay. So what all main links you guys want? So obviously Instagram and X. I have GitHub. Or else I can do this. Instead of posting all the links, which YouTube doesn't allow me to have that much space inside each command, so I would apply something like this. For Insta, Insta, and for X or Twitter, X, and for Git, what is it? Git, yeah. What are the other links I have? Yes. Let it insert the document for blogs and for Discord blogs. Yeah, that's the only thing. For Discord and for blogs, blogs. Main site. No, వెళ్ళలేదు బ్రో, డార్క్ వెబ్కి ఎక్కువ వెళ్ళదు.
BlazingBane.com. ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ ఇవే పెడదాం. What's up, homie? Nikhil, welcome back, bro. Nothing. I was just updating my links database so that you guys can, pick whatever link you want. But I was expecting this to be a bit dynamic, but we'll have to see. Yeah, these are the main links. The rest will be posted in the website because YouTube doesn't allow these many links to be posted in a single comment. So this is the only way. Please update. Okay. So let me. One second, guys. Mongo has been refreshed. So let's try. For each message, I will get 1 point. Yeah. Basically, yes. But as of now, there is no use of points. Everything is free. So you don't really have to care about it. So that links has been added. I would like you guys to test it one time. Yeah, it's weekend, bro. It's weekend, so I promised on weekends I would be streaming on your appropriate times so that you guys can watch freely with no rush. Oh, it is sending as an individual message. It's fine then. I think I can. Oh, 5 likes already. Where is my headphones? Yeah, that's my Git. I don't know what you guys want to do in Git, but that's what the link is. Someone asked me my GitHub link, so I just posted that. Oh. Fork lelangi mama. What do you mean? So previously I had a command where if you type exclamation mama, you will be having a conversation with mama. Basically an LLM would be running in my PC, streaming PC, but it was taking a lot of resources and I just felt, okay, let's not do that. Yeah, it won't work now. I just disabled it. So basically this was the idea. Mama would only talk with Discord as well as my user information. Kill the Raspberry at this point. So Raspberry Pi is just a server. It doesn't process much. LLM would be running in streaming PC. Raspberry Pi would be communicating with the streaming PC to get the responses. Ask the AI and get the response. But even for that, my streaming PC was struggling because it's already streaming and recording. Why do I look that dark? Probably there is a lot of light coming from here. Maybe. I'll pull down the blinders. Which are one of the best projects on your GitHub? User experience. Honestly, those all projects are made for myself. Nothing is really good with the user experience. Like you can see, I only want that things to be working fine. That's it. Have you tried running LLMs on browser? No. Now on PC, yeah. I don't know how to run on browser. I use Gamma 3, 4B and 1B. 4B for AI editor, 1B for like casual conversations. The problem with those both Gammas are they are not really internet-based LLMs, so they don't really have much information. Raku. Yeah, they both doesn't really have any information apart from. Yeah, Llama model I haven't really tried about it. I asked ChatGPT and it said Gamma is more better than Llama. So DeepSeek Carbon is better, but it's not for my use case, so I ignored that. And then comes Gamma. Llama 4 is here. What is this? It's supposed Hindi. Intended for commercial and research use in multi-languages, instructions tune model as intended for assistant like chat. I'm a fully private notes. I'm making a fully private notes web app. Notes with index DB, okay, and LLM on browser. How's the idea? Hugging Face, LLM. Why would you? Which one is this? Are these free models? Can I pick something for chatbots? Well, that's fine. So but why? What is the need of AI in that? So maybe to search. Llama is slow. Llama models are huge. The lowest one is 7B. I don't have that much GPU. Image text. Maybe I can use one of these to generate thumbnails. Like the thumbnail I did today, it took only 5 minutes. I don't even know what it is. Let me see how does it look. Does it look fine? Yeah, your face is dark because of there is it's daytime and where is it? Let me close the brightness. It looks fine. It looks fine. Okay, let me close the blinders so that it won't be that bright anymore. Okay. Does it look anything better? My bulb. I'll just increase. Oh, PC is going back to sleep. Yeah, this is the best I can do as of now because I have to make a lot of changes in my desk. That's fine. We can continue the stream. Okay, today's motto is a bit different. I'm going to work on this website. Basically, not really much into UI, but this chat commands. I had to hard code these values, but I would prefer to have a dynamic list. So the options are simple. Whenever this is rendered, I would just add a few more commands which I have in the database will be displayed here. That's basically how it is. Yeah, I just didn't know what to do, so I just did that. Okay, this involves making modifications to this website alerts so that I can obviously get my alert. All right. It reads the Mongo, and what happens here? It takes some time to setting up workspace. Okay. No, I'm not using OpenCV or anything. There is an application called SnapCam, but it doesn't have any API to use it. I found a trick in order to make it work, which is called keyboard shortcuts. So every time you press put joker, I set a keyboard shortcut for that filter, and the SnapCam has to, to be open all the time. That's when it listens for the keyboard shortcuts. And it's automatic. I don't manually put click the shortcuts. It's the program. The Golang would press that keyboard. Imagine that it's pressing the keyboard and it will react to it. So that's why I really tried a lot to automate this thing and make sure, I can put whatever the faces you guys want, but it wasn't really possible. I can't really show that section. Oh, my PC is going to sleep that too often. So that's the bot. Let me change the power to sleep to more than like 1 minute. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, look, it's SnapCam. I'm not designing all these things. It's SnapCam. If I could design, I would definitely design. But think about this: SnapCam has a lot of already populated, well, designed filters. Why would I redo them all? That Go keyword runs that FN in separate thread. Yes. Which one? So these would be in a separate threads. Yes. Where's the other one which you saw? There should be a lot many. I don't really recall. I tried running them mostly inside the main thread, but rest would be all inside the upper. Sorry, these one would be in the another thread. Again, this is works excellently fine. They have their own securities so that different concurrencies would try to access the same thing, and it would still work fine. Iconic would be so happy with the next trick I'm going to do. I noticed that when multiple people are liking the stream, it's overlapping with the previous one. I anticipated that, but I didn't expect these past stream. So Iconic, stay alive. Of course you'll be staying alive, watch my stream live. So where is it? So these are the things I would like to do. Do you guys know any project management for solo developers so that I can create my own tickets and doesn't really have to lose track what I'm this? What do you mean way too long? No, it would stay up all the time. If you want to remove it, you need to, remove it again. So when you put it, it's going to stay like that. If you want to remove it again, so you're saying Joker, then press Joker one more time. Obsidian, I don't want a note. I think this is what I'm currently using. Controversial, but it's fine. Yeah, so it's gone. So this is how I use. These are my tasks. So I will create a new one, and I will. Where is the list? I forgot. Yeah, create a new list. It says Mama. Mama means railing Mama, and I have to add a task. Allow to read the command, and the other one is like or dislike atomic operation. Okay, these are the two. This is how I basically keep track of my things which I want to change. It works. It works. I can add those tracks. I can add those. My Wi-Fi is gone. For some reason, I don't see my Wi-Fi anymore. Is the stream alive? It's alive. I don't know why. It's alright. Can you guys see my stream? Yeah, something's happened. I just saw a dip in my internet and then come. It's fine. 0 viewers. It's fine. Maybe no one's watching except you. I see a lot of game devs using Obsidian for the same as Twitch. Why? What is Obsidian? Obsidian. Well, I don't want these many things. You know what? Truly, to my honesty, this is enough for me. I'll just create task and just add some descriptions if I feel like I'm forgetting it, and I can add tasks from anywhere, from my phone, from my laptop, from anywhere. So it doesn't really need anything. Of course, if it does, let me know. I would be excited to use it. So let's first work on the like and dislike thing and deploy it so that you guys can test it. The rest I can test it myself. So this is the code. Take stats. This will take stats from YouTube app. Live stream contains live. Okay. Like compare. So there are two ways to do this. The main approach is when someone is having the, oh, you're already going. I started the stream on weekends so that you could watch. So okay, if you have to go, no problem. So Iconic, I was especially thinking you would watch this. So there are two ways. There are more than two ways, I guess. So when someone is having a like animation, imagine there is another like. I don't want the animation to be, re-triggered again. It's a simple logic. I could have deployed it in the first time itself, but I would deploy it in the first time itself. But I thought, let's focus on the main things first. So now I just realized in the last stream, multiple people were trying to like the stream, and it's overlapping the next one. So this logic takes like what? A milliseconds, like 1 second max, but the like animation takes 6 seconds. So what I'm doing is, once the like animation is running, I don't want the new like animation to be triggered. So this one is the difference. So this is my first Go project, so my file structure is really absurd. So don't really give much attention to this. We can see everything is in the main class. So utils.likes. Okay. I think this is better for me? I can know that how many likes I have or how many dislikes I have. That's totally fine. Thanks for liking the stream, and now I can have percentile D. I don't even know what payload. I don't even know. Like compare, start like. Okay, yeah. So I think this is better instead of like compare, yeah. So in the same way, I would do this. Okay, that seems fine. What? As possible printf formatting derivative percentile D. What do you mean MVP? I heard about MCP, that AI thing. Like features. I don't know. My first project was an Android app to download songs from JioSaavn. That was my first project, and in the live stream, my first the idea was obviously not the like and dislike. This was added new. Previously, basically to have my own chatbot. I wasn't really satisfied with the streamer bot or Streamlabs. Those two also have the three bots, but they are not working as I expected. And as an engineer and developer, I thought I can build my own one. Of course, it takes time, but I can build one. And that was the idea. And once I started building it, I realized its potential, and I can add more features into it. How does the chat trigger? I'm not making any YouTube calls to API, bro. Sorry, API calls to YouTube. It costs money. They provide you 10,000, I think, tokens, and it only lasted me for 2 streams. That too when no one really is watching. So I realized that's not really reliable for me. But I'm basically listening all the network APIs which is running on my streaming PC, and in that API calls I can see YouTube APIs, and I'm just listening to those, making a clone of that API calls and seeing what's the data is being sent and being received. And it runs as long as my server is run right here. as long as this is running, it will listen to my API servers, and when the moment I stop my stream, everything stops automatically. Manish, first up with the project తో మొదలు పెట్టావు కదా అన్న. First, I don't really remember my projects honestly. Let me see my Git if I have any. There are too many projects I did which I lost because I didn't really upload them into Git. So this was one of my most anticipated projects which I created just for me, but it won't work now. I disabled the backend for this. So basically, never forget, always secure. Ignore that. I don't know if it still works or not. I was having issues with Google stuff. See, the database is disabled for this, so even though this works, but there won't be any data for this. Job email sender. Yeah, this is one of my other projects. I totally forgot about this, which is really helped me with getting a lot of calls from job HRs, which is I apply jobs from what is it? Dice, LinkedIn, and Job Diva. That's a platform I use a lot in US. So the moment I create a browser extension, which is there should be an extension somewhere here. Auto apply. Yeah, this is an extension. So this will be obviously you guys need this extension in your browser, and this will pre-fill the information, and it only works for me. It pre-fills my profile information, and also in those websites in LinkedIn, Dice, and Job Diva, we can email our resume to that person who posted the job. It's not visible directly in the UI, but in the inspect element, we can see the email. So this extension basically does that. It applies the job and it takes that email if there is any. Once that email is captured, it would send that email back to this project, which is email job email sender. So this was built with Python. Basically what it does is it would receive that email. It would populate that. Along with that email, there are extra information like project location, project title, and also applicator name and everything, and it will populate an email body with my resume inside it, and it would send that email. I don't say the current project I'm working on is the current company I'm working on is I found the job through this. No, but my profile was actually getting a lot of attention. There was another section which is rabbit queue. Yeah, rabbit handler. So I noticed that while these emails are being sent, I wanted each email to be processed at once. So what I did, I maintained a queue where each email along with the data which is supposed to be inside the body will be sent to this rabbit queue, and it will be listening. The Python would be listening to that, and it would just send emails in the fly with some dynamic delay so that Google doesn't ban me for spamming emails. And it worked fine with it. So this was, I tried to make it user friendly so that my friends were also interested. They also wanted to try this. For that, I cannot run servers on their machine. So that's why I did some modifications to job handler. There should be one. Dice Auto, I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the one I tried my best how to start the server. So that if anyone can use it, but then I realized it's not working as intended for other machines because there are different styles and settings that they had to go through with. So yeah, let's see what are other things I did. Notify, it's still working. If you guys want to test it, there is an example. Xcali Cloud, this is another one of the things I really use. I think I have already covered this. So I use this website a lot, and I wanted to save these canvases with my own database. So I just press this and it would bring my canvas back. I didn't know people would dislike these. So yeah, that's one of the other project which someone gifted me a membership. Thank you, whoever it was. Phobic. It was a fake Priz. I think I posted inside in my YouTube section as well. It's fake. I remember it's fake biz. Yeah, fake biz. Yeah, fake biz Priz. So he donated 10 memberships. I like my own platform. So he was the one who donated 10 memberships. The last string was really, I was really happy. I just watched the same video again and again yesterday. It was really fun. So speak command is working like this way. So yeah, let's see if this is the Xcali cloud. It is actually deployed in browsers. You can just download this extension and use it. Xcali is a wonderful platform. And then comes, let's see what are other repositories. This is just for the project. Ignore that. Rim Expo. I don't. That's an Android app for that. So watch me Guru scripts. These are all the automation bots. Viewer bot. That's another one. D3. I don't know if it's still alive or not. Yeah, it's still alive. So this was one of my React projects. What I did was, I wanted to design a tree. You see, this is a tree. I can delete a node. I can add a node for that parent, and I can just delete this node again. I can delete this. Everything will be deleted. I had a niche use case for this, but after this project was built, I forgot what the use case was, and I totally gave up working on this. So we can just add points here, and I forgot what was the points. I think P something, and yeah, P means positive, and I think for /n it's negative, if I recall correctly. Bad. Yeah, something and positive and negative. So I had a different use case for this. I totally forgot what was it. Why am I getting dislikes? Is it honestly a dislike, or is it just something? Okay. So I forgot this is also hosted. I created this, and then basically at this point I gave up. I forgot my use case, and I didn't know like what am I trying to do. Yeah, but this tree it works fine. There would be absolutely no errors. We can just go on. How many did I add? Like 4. We can add 2, 3. Okay, close. So there are like 4 trees now. I can just delete these. So yeah, we can play a lot with this, and everything has its own class and object, so it would be working excellent. Some positive points, and it should be P1 for positive and something. So that's how things work. I even don't. I'm trying my best to remember why I did this project, but I totally forgot about it. Guys, consider liking the stream. It feels good. So yeah, I don't know what are all these. These were like too old, I guess. So before that, I didn't really do much into GitHub. I saved my. There are other projects as well. Let me show you. So in the coding, we should see GitHub. We should see 3D cards, or we can say all stats. No, this is gone. BlazingBane, this is also gone. Cloud, what? I don't have any of these. And what am I doing? Yeah, $7, we can see 2021. So basically, I'm still using the same hard drive from 2019. This is the same hard drive which I bought it in 2019 and using it's 2025 and still working fine. So this is that Angular, I think it's React Native project, which lets you download songs from Geo7. I don't know if it's still works or not. But yeah, that's fine. And this is the main BBI. This is a wonderful project, man. Let me show you if it works or not. What is the best to host all projects with backend and all? If you have a backend, then there are. It's not the best. You can use AWS Lambda for 1 year. That's the most like premium version. But if you want for like free for most of the time, then you can try Render. It has a free, deploy for free. It lets you deploy your servers for free. That's one thing. And if that's still a problematic, I would just buy a Raspberry Pi. If you're interested to keep that server all day, just buy a Raspberry Pi. It's super cheap. Just let it run all day. That's fine. And you can use Cloudflare to route your DNS. It's also free. Yeah, let's focus on this. So I'm not working on this anymore. Not working on this. So yeah, while I'm getting a like or dislike, I don't want other like to basically override this. Does it get me an error? All has a possible printf formatting. It's all right. Okay. So let's create this where like overlay like animation running. So this would be an what is it called? Int 32. The 0 means false, 1 means true. Yeah, I totally forgot TypeScript ways. So now while I get a like, while this animation is basically happening, I don't want the other animations to be overlapped for this. If yeah, atomic dot. If I roll back to 0, what is the best language to learn? Depends on what you're trying to learn. Language isn't really a key. It's just what are you trying to do, how fast you want to do, and how secure you want to do, how optimized you want to do. Based on those things, you might need to pick a language. So if you want to do it things, develop things fast, not run things fast. If you want to write code faster and then just run it, Python and JavaScript would be a good choice. But obviously you would get a bugs. You after like 6 months, if you see your own code, you would understand what's happening, and because there is no static typing, then there is a choose Python. Yes, obviously. Yeah. After that, you can use TypeScript, stuff like that. If you want to go a little bit faster development, but bit secure, compiled, that's TypeScript. A bit more advanced, you can pick another language. So basically, what you're trying to do. If you're going to web, there are other languages. If you want to build a compiler, that's another language. So it's compare swap. Yeah, like animation 0 to 1. So basically I need to revert this. So once this is doing, I need to set it to true, I guess. How can I compare this? What is the difference between JS and TypeScript? So JavaScript is a dynamic language, Manish. So JavaScript itself is a dynamic language. So this is JavaScript. There are no static types. There are primitive and dynamic types. Primitive means numbers, like numbers and Boolean values are primitive data types. That means they are not referred to the memory. They are directly copied. And there are other data types like objects, strings, nulls. These are all stored inside a memory, and whatever the variable which is accessing it, if it will access it basically by reference. So what happens is in JavaScript there is no static typing. So that means let's say var bool is equals to true. You can just set the same bool again to 1, and compiler wouldn't really complain that okay, you are changing the type of it. But what happens is after, let's say you develop a project and you cannot determine what exactly is bool is. Is it a boolean or is it a number, or you can actually set it to like some string. But you, as a human, you cannot really track all these changes. UV, welcome to the stream, bro. Welcome back. So that's why they brought out with TypeScript, where basically it's an abstract. It is a superset of JavaScript. TypeScript doesn't know how to execute. It just converts your code to JavaScript. It's just a compiler for you so that you don't make any mistakes. So it would not let you convert this bool, which has true value inside it, to into something else. Like even it won't allow you to set it to undefined or null. It's that secure. It would say the value needs to be Boolean itself. It would not let you change it to undefined. Unless you wrote in a code in such a way that it would become undefined, then that's a different story. But yeah, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript where it gives you more features. It adds static typing to the language. Once you get used to this, you cannot go to JavaScript unless you want to. That's a different story. But yeah, I always try to use TypeScript. Yes, but we should not review Harik cohort. Harira cohort 3.0. Is this the one? Who are all these? Yes, the first one. Okay. I don't know, man. I don't really do courses in so that's why TypeScript is used on AI generating websites, probably. But so I don't really have any opinion on this. I wouldn't suggest anyone to pay anything to learn something. We have AI, we have YouTube. There is no need for you to learn such things. Unless it's machine learning and stuff, there might be. Oh yeah, I'm going to close it now. Yeah, Firebase. Okay. Oh, is that seems beginner to advanced friendly or not? I didn't really think of that way. I don't know. View details. Let's see the first one. Web development and DevOps. We can see this. This is a bit advanced for blockchain. Let's see how they are going to teach it. It's just a Stripe API. We are not going to do any crypto inside that. So yeah, these are basic. These are also these are also basic. You can just learn it in 1 week. Stripe, that's basic. Maybe I don't know this bonk bot. Once you know about it, it's going to be simple, I guess. It's again a bot, so you're just basically integrating existing tools in your app. That's it. Foundation, Node.js, SQL database, ORM, TypeScript, and what else? Advanced DevOps, Linux, Pascal. These are such things you cannot learn from YouTube. Of course, you can just get an idea of it, and then you need to practice it. Yeah, let's give up on this, man. I'm not really interested in those. That would ruin my day. Okay, let's focus on this. Yeah, UV. Let's give up on that. It's fine. Yeah. My friend brother got these courses from a company, lol. So yeah, I do. Yeah, okay. Yeah, yes. Most of it are proprietary. What tools are proprietary? Yeah, proprietary tools are nothing special. They are just tools which are not open source. That's it. Once you get the use case of APIs, you can just use the same. It's not, rocket science where you can't really understand those things. I don't believe in that logic where you pay 5,000 and you would know all these. No. You would pay 10,000 or 1 crore, still you wouldn't know unless you are passionate about it or interested, and you have the interest to practice about it. So what else? So yeah, my current logic is once any of this is running, someone hated my opinion, I guess. So once an animation is running, I would like to ignore the rest of the APIs which is there. So we can do that using Go Atomic. So basically, when anything is running, I need to write a go func, which is basically a timer to reset it back. So yeah, let's see.
JSON message alert type like, and then WebSocket. What are we building? It's already built. The like setting. The basically, I'm working on Railing Mama right now. Welcome back, PS. Sorry, welcome to the stream, PS. So you would pay 5,000 to get attention in a community of jobs for internship, or else it's just. Go has its own built-in package manager, which is this Go mod. All we need to use is Go get. There is no other package manager other than this, or maybe if it is, I didn't really find a use case to do it. It's fine. These are all the dependency packages, and these are the mean packages. So these are the required. These are the ones I installed. These are the ones which are indirect. That means these packages indirectly use these packages. So that's one way. And I don't exactly know the meaning of this. This sum is basically all the versions or hash codes, etc. So I didn't really go much deep into this. Yeah, no problem. So Relangi Mama is my bot, PS. So it's not a person, it's a bot. Yeah, it's like a repository's history. So this is the Relangi Mama bot is this basically. You can see a new face in the house. You should see that command somewhere here. New face in the house. Where is it? So yeah, this is welcome messages. So this is the bot. Again, I tried to use AI for these responses, but it was taking too much resources and I just gave up. Until I show this code, you guys wouldn't even notice it anyways. So yeah, ignore it. How many of you guys are return few lines in Go? So here, once this is, I don't think I need to send a WebSocket. It's basically no one is going to use it right now, but we can ignore that. I need to turn it to true. What is it called? Like overlay atomic dot compare and swap int like automation running. If it's basically running 0 to okay. I don't think I need this. Why am I forgot what I was doing with this friend WebSocket. Am I doing something with the WebSocket? Maybe I'm doing it, so let's ignore it for now. Let's keep it. So yeah, that's what's happened if someone triggers kiss. That's another story. So if it's running, this is what it does. But if it's basically it should run. If it's not running, then I definitely have to test this one more time. So after this point, I need to trigger that go function, which could basically run and set it to true. So go func also execute this, and it should say, what does it should say? So let me finish my breakfast. Time dot wait. I don't think we should thank AI. Oh, Relang Mama is not really an AI. I started that with AI, but it was taking too many resources from my streaming PC. It was taking more resources, and it was causing my YouTube stream to struggle. I noticed my face is a bit dark because of this light is going much more deeper inside. How can I fix this? I'll have it somewhere like that. It's fine. Okay, that's way too bright now, I know, but that's the only way. You're going to sleep, bro?
Cool. What time is it? If everyone's going to sleep, I will. What is it called? It's just 10:20. Hey Deepak, welcome to the stream. Welcome Deepak, welcome. We are doing some programming here. Welcome to the stream. What's up? I hope you enjoy your weekend. If so. Oh yeah. You absolutely deserve it. Go take some sleep. Deepak, welcome to the stream, bro. You want to ask anything? Let me know. I can give you a walkthrough of my application. Railing Mama is my bot. It's not a real human, so ignore it. Can you tell me about yourself? Yeah. Show my face. Show my face. Oh, I'm not running that application. 1 minute. I'm so sorry. I forgot to turn it on. Yeah. Show my face. It's still not working. Oh, it works fine. Okay. It takes some time for the first. Yeah, this is BlazingBane. I do programming and a little bit of gaming. Yeah, most of my streams are related to programming. We can see if I go back to my YouTube previous streams, we can see all were programming until if I had enough work already at my full-time job, I would just play some games, but that's not really rare. But most of the time, it's going to be programming. And yeah, I am currently in US. I work for an insurance firm, and I mostly stream at nights for me or mornings for you. But on weekends, I stream on mornings and nights for you. Yeah, I did some cool projects. The reason I'm speaking in English is because I have an AI editor which edits my videos after I stop my stream. I record all my streams like 2 hours, 3 hours, and I just feed that to my local AI. It would do its best to edit, clip out any viral content. Basically, I still need to supervise it. It works fine to a certain extent, and then starts to hallucinate, thinking that this might also be in a viral content. This might also be interesting. Yeah. Other than that, I didn't really achieve anything in life, so there is nothing I can tell. Yeah, just casual streams. That's it. If you want to know more, let me know. Drilling Mama is also made with Golang and Typescript. AI editor is made with Golang, Python, and some batch scripts. Oh, I forgot. PS. Do you suggest sticking to Next.js for too long? I feel like it's ruining my full stack skills. Then, if you feel like that, then just don't do it. So Next.js is only used by startups and certain companies. If you want to work in those, totally fine. But if you want to have a wider range, then obviously you need to switch out from it. Sorry, I saw your comment, but I have a poor memory, I guess. Yeah, I totally forgot what I was doing. So once the animation starts working, I'm a fresher to IT with 6 months now. Okay. Oh, you're telling about yourself? Cool. What programming languages do you normally use? I don't really care about how much experience you have. Have you done any cool projects which I can explore? Do you have a website so that I can, visit? That's all. I do have another, a website for myself, or we can say my channel. This is the website, BlazingBane.com. We have all the information, and the good part is YouTube. It will have all my users' information. Again, the UI is not that great. I know, I'm working on it still. It's been 1 month, which I'm saying that, but I'm not working on that. So Deepak, that's you, and this is your first stream, and this is your last active stream. This is PS. You both joined today, so that's why you are in the new users section. These are the old users. Obviously, this is myself. This is Jagdeep. So yeah, and then comes what else? Naveen Viper. These are all old viewers. They joined recently. These are all my viewers list. So yeah, I do cool projects. It works fine. If you want to try, these are my commands. I have a speak command if you want to try. If you like my stream, something's going to happen. If you dislike, something's going to happen. Every time you interact with my stream, I award you some points. As of now, everything is free, so keep using them. There are a lot of commands. If you want to know, just press exclamation links and it will share you all my socials. Oh, maybe I forgot to show you my screen until now. And that's another thing, you can control what layout my OBS is. If you want to see my screen, just type exclamation screen. That will happen. If you want to see my face, then type exclamation face. I tend to forget what layout. Yeah, that's a kiss command, so ignore it. So time dot sleep for 6 seconds. How is it? Is it 6 into 3000 or what? Golang time, a time package. Operation that takes 20 milliseconds. Okay. But how can I sleep? Yeah, that if it's already in screen. Hey, Jane, you are back. You seem to be almost new. You came to my stream before. Let me see what stream you have joined. What is your name again? Preet. I think you are an old viewer, but not that active. So this was your first stream. You joined on June 14. Yeah, welcome back, I guess. So yeah, I'm doing this atomic operation. I kind of forgot. Is it in milliseconds or seconds? Sleep pauses the current Gora routine for at least the duration. 0 or negative or 0 immediately. Okay, that's not like JavaScript. So 6 into 1000 time dot second. Is it 6 seconds or 6 milliseconds now? I have no idea. Yeah, probably time dot second. I think that's second. Okay. How much of AI you use is fine. Can you just copy paste code with error and then lay out solve it? No, I don't use that. So this is the most AI I use. I have a super Maven, which just it's that to a level where it's not like purely dependent on it. It just gives me the code which I'm about to type anyway. So that's what level I am. I use ChatGPT to get information from it so that I don't have to go to, just like this. I don't have to go to the package and see how it is. I would just ask ChatGPT something like this, and I would say, what is the function which lets me stop go routine for 6 seconds? Because I have to search the internet to do that. I can just search this. And then I come back and write it myself. So I use ChatGPT to get things how needs to be done or what needs to be done. Then I argue with it. Can I do it in this way? Can I do it in that way? That's how I use it. I don't ask code from it. I do ask from code from it as an example, like, okay, how does it work? And once I know that, I can then ask the question again, like, what if this happens? The moment I notice that it's starting to use hallucination, I just go back to Gemini. Gemini is one of those model I feel like it would just straight out at face it tell you that it's not possible. ChatGPT would try to make it possible. Gemini would like, it's not possible. So it give up too fast. It doesn't give up too fast, but it's upon you to determine what's right or not. I use Python and React at work. I got interest in Rust because I don't have a system programming for in-depth knowledge. Makes sense? I tried Rust for a day and I felt it takes a lot of time for me to do projects. And Go is like home for me. I find it fast enough. I find it efficient enough. I can easily write Go code. So, but you said Python and work, but those two languages you're directly jumping into Rust. Have you had any experience with C, C++, or any other languages? Just a curiosity. That. Okay, this is the. I'll write it in another function. Like animation. So I don't need all these. It takes 6 seconds and then it swaps it. That's a private function. I am fully aware of it. It looks clean this way. So if this is happening, it compare and it would just paste it to my next. I learned C, but C++ could be in college, so trying Rust. Yeah, understand. I learned C, C++ as well, but I never really used it that much. So I totally ignored it. So this is the main logic now. So when some person likes or dislikes, you're not testing likes and dislikes. It's a good animations if you want to enjoy. If not, fine. Let me finish this. Yeah, the logic is simple. Every time it happens, if it's deferred, then that means the animation is working. And yeah, if either one of this would be executed, and if it's comparing, yeah, closure in the interviews. JavaScript is fun and weird at the same time. We should not take JavaScript as any other languages. So we see a JavaScript code and we try to understand it using our Python, C, C++, Go, whatever languages we have knowledge. We just assume that, okay, this is what is going to happen because all other languages do that thing. But we need to see JavaScript code in JavaScript way. When you see something and you feel like, okay, this is JavaScript, then that means the output is not what we are currently expecting. It could be something else. Is light enough? So, yeah, how is my stream? Is the quality okay? Is the sound fine? I think it's fine. Yeah, let me know if you guys face any issues. By the way, welcome to the stream. I found few new users today, so celebrate. Cool. Okay, that's fine. And what else is needed? Like compare, and we have the friends. My voice is kind of low. I can increase it, but I found that according to the graph, the audio levels graph, I think it's fine. It's almost going to the yellow, and if I speak a little bit loud, it's touching red. Celebrate music రావట్లేదా? Probably this is the culprit. So let me see. I can hear the music, so that means the problem is with this. Oh, I don't see that output at all. Okay, I see this. Let's try it now. Celebrate. Yep. Something's happening. Oh, restart. Now it would work fine. Celebrate. See, it's working. So yeah, there are a lot of things I need to turn on when I'm streaming. I need to check these, I need to check these. Sometimes these would just go mute. And then these are the only two things I need to maintain in my gaming PC. Then in my streaming PC, I need to see those graphs. Sometimes the graphs would show up, but there won't be any audio. But yeah, it's not a perfect setup, but when it works, it works. So who sent a lot of messages? I think it's Harish. Let's see. Let's fix this thing. I'm not writing enough code on the stream. So the approach is simple. When I got a like, I would just compare it, like animation running. So it's 0. So it executes the command and swaps for an operation value. Consider using the more ergonomic and less error prone compared to compare and swap instead. Is it 32? Yeah, I think it's definitely 32. Okay. Does it return something? It's swapped. Oh, if it's 0, then it's going to swap. If it's 1, it's not going to swap. So if that's the case, then I don't need to do these things. So this thing needs to be inside here. This also needs to be inside here. Okay, animation needs to be inside, but I can definitely send the links, so that's no problematic. Someone dislike my stream and then go like animation. That should be fine. So let's test this. Let's test this. Yeah, main allowed. So now I need to run one more application which is this inside coding, stream assistant. Where is it? Bot. I open this and also maintain a new one. Oh, this is not the one. Assist node scripts. Yes. I would want you guys to test something now. So IP, I totally forgot what. So IP is this one. It should be 129, I guess. Config. It's mostly 129. Yeah, 129. That's fine. Oh, it's dev. It's going to save it already. Okay, that's wonderful. So let's change it to Node.js. And here we should type npm run dev, I guess. No, npm start. What is the command for it? Oh, it's index.js. Okay, node. Oh, I need to run this tsc. Something's wrong. I totally forgot how to run these things. So I have a readme file. Okay, npx tsc watch. And then in a new one, I need to run. Okay, cd into dist and okay, cd into dist, and then run this one. If I didn't save this, I would take 10 minutes to just spin up the old application. Listening to API calls. Okay, mostly chat URL, no actions, request. Okay. It's running this, so I can now test it. This is what I'm going to do now. I would just drop a like and dislike at the same time. That shouldn't cause issues. That's a like. I know that's
temporarily not working, but that's another story. Someone removed a like -1 like. Okay, like compare. Yeah, then that means I should not use like compare. I need to use. I bet. So I would do this. I would not trigger an animation. I would use print statement instead. Hey, Kaju, welcome. I would straightforward use print statement so that I would not mess up with the previous one. So my main motto is to just see. Thanks for the like. Triggering animation. Triggering like animation. Okay. Also same for here. So it would not trigger the animation, but it would just let me know whether it triggered or not. Removing the like. Someone disliked my stream, triggering the animation. Someone removed the like -1. Why is -1? Okay, that's the small change. So I like the stream now. I want you guys also to do the same. I like the stream. While that is running, I dislike the stream. And then I also disliked it. Processing the image. Can anyone also do the same thing? I don't really have those many YouTube accounts. I just wanted to test. Or else I'll put else conditions. Like animation is already running, or we can say dislike. Dislike animation is already running. Also paste it here. It should say like animation already running, and let's see. I press. Can anyone drop a like so that I can test this? Requesting for like. You can dislike it later. Can anyone drop a like or dislike so that I can test this? I'm waiting for some animation to start so that I can trigger this. No one? Really? Okay, I'll try to do it with my other phone. I have two phones. I'll open one account from here and another account from here. So YouTube, what account I'm using here? Okay, I'll go to my main account, and inside here I'll go to some other account. Rocky Bhai, while that animation is running, I would, drop a like, something like that. Okay, in this stream, where is it? I am dropping a like here. While that's running, I'll dislike. Chesa, Amy change avatle. What? Change. So, iddaram ఒకటేసారి లైక్ కొడదాం చూద్దాం ఏమైంది. So, yeah, processing messages. Thanks for liking the stream. So, come on, dislike చేసింది ఎవరు చేస్తారు? I think it's queuing. Yeah. I think it's queue. Yeah, it's queuing. It's queuing. I don't want it to queue. I want it to just ignore it. Someone dislike my stream. Trigger like animation. So trigger like animation. Message sent successfully. That is due to this. I can just put a return here so that it won't send any messages to YouTube. Okay, and then like testing it now. If I send 2 likes at the same time, I don't want 2 animations to happen. Let's see, I dropped 2 likes. One.
Why is it queuing? So triggering like animation, where is it? I didn't expect that to queue. So take messages like compare. Let's print here. UB alert లో ఏదో ఎర్రర్ ఉంది అనుకుంటా అన్న. ఎందుకు ఎందుకు న్యూబీ అలర్ట్ అంటే నేను 2 సర్వర్స్ రన్ చేస్తున్నా ఇప్పుడు. అది ఎర్రర్ ఏమీ కాదు, ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్. So I have one Golang which is running, that's the main server. Then this is the test server which is also running. So for test server you are a new user because test server has its own new database. It assume that's your new user, but I just disabled that sending messages. I just added a return statement right here so that we don't get confused. So I didn't really expect YouTube to queue my messages. That would be problematic. Let's drop it here. So now I'm reverting my old likes. I'm getting an ad for some reason. Okay, I disliked 2 times. The like compare is 0. Someone disliked the stream. Like compare is -1. You got the animation. Okay, but you can see it's queuing. Why would it queue? It should not queue. Maybe I'm queuing inside here. Maybe I'm queuing inside here like API. Okay, model interface. No, assal gurtuled ekkada rasanu. Okay, index here. There is mostly chat URL and the other one should be mostly like URL. No actions. Yeah, this is the like URL. Straight payload number. Await JSON actions, update user, mostly chat URL, request sent successfully. Okay, request sent successfully. So it takes almost every second or 2 seconds. So I basically want too many people to like and dislike. That's when I can really test it. So it almost send. Does it know what max likes? Congratulations post. Okay, so we can see for every 2 seconds it's sending the payload. That's basically what I wrote. I don't know why I picked 2 seconds, but I got a like. At the same time I liked one more time. At the same time I'm liking one more time. So let's see on this one. I dropped 2 likes. Yeah, దానివల్ల టైమ్స్ రావచ్చు. ఎస్, కానీ నేను సెకండ్ సర్వర్లో టెస్ట్ సర్వర్లో యానిమేషన్ రన్ చేయట్లేదు, జస్ట్ ప్రింట్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ చేస్తాను. సో వీ కెన్ సీ హియర్ ఇది నీ మెసేజ్. దీనికంటే ముందే నేను లైక్స్ చేశాను అనుకుంటా. నా బాధ ఏంటి అంటే ఇది వర్కౌట్ అవుతుందా? డిస్లైక్ లైక్ యానిమేషన్ ఆల్రెడీ రన్నింగ్ అని ఒక్కసారి కూడా రాలేదు మరి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ లైకింగ్ ద స్ట్రీమ్. ట్రిగరింగ్ లైక్ యానిమేషన్ దీంట్లోకి వెళ్ళింది. దీని తర్వాత అసలు ఇది రన్ అవుతుందా లేదు చూద్దాం. స్విచ్ ఎఫ్. println setting like animation. ఇది ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ఇది వర్కౌట్ అయితే దెన్ దట్స్ డిఫరెంట్. ఏదో ఎర్రర్ ఉందంటే ఎఫ్. ఓకే, పైన రావాలా? తరుణ్ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ బ్రో. తరుణ్ నేను లైక్ చేసా ఇప్పుడే. సో అందరం ఒకటేసారి చేద్దాం. అందరం ఒకటేసారి చేస్తే తెలుస్తుంది. సో నా దగ్గర 2 అకౌంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. నేను 2 likes అనుకున్నా, మనీష్ ఒక లైక్, నువ్వు ఒక లైక్ అనుకున్నా. తెలిసిపోద్ది ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే, లెట్స్ ఫోకస్ గైస్. మొత్తం తెలుగులో మాట్లాడేసా, ఏఐకి ఏం అర్థం కాదు ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే, ఇదేంటిది? కనెక్టెడ్ టు మాంగ్ రీస్టార్ట్ అయింది కదా. ఓకే ఓకే, సో డిస్లైక్ జరిగింది, నేను డిస్లైక్ చేస్తున్నా. ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం ఏం జరుగుతుంది. రీసెటింగ్ లైక్ స్ట్రీమ్, ఓకే, ట్రిగర్ అయినాక రీసెట్ అయిపోయిందా. someone disliked, someone trigger the animation again, okay. సో ఎంత చేసినా మ్యాక్సిమం రాదు. సో రెండు సార్లు యానిమేషన్ అయితే రావట్లేదు. అయితే దట్స్ ఫైన్, దట్స్ టోటలీ ఫైన్. సో ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నేను కూడా లైక్ కొడతా. యానిమేషన్ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వగానే నేను మళ్ళీ లైక్ కొట్టినా. సో బేసిక్గా 2 times రావాలి యానిమేషన్, కానీ ఒకటేసారి వస్తుంది. అదే నాకు కూడా కావాల్సింది, ఎందుకంటే ఓవర్లాప్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒకటేసారి 5 members లైక్ చేశారనుకోండి, నాకు ఒక్క యానిమేషన్ చాలు. నేను 5 animations చేసేస్తే ఇంకా చచ్చిపోదు. ఇప్పుడు రీసెట్ అయిపోయేసరికి అది రీసెట్ అయ్యేలోపు ఎవరైతే లైక్ చేస్తారో అవన్నీ యానిమేషన్స్ ఆగిపోతాయి. ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్. సో దట్స్ ఫైన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈస్ టు హ్యావ్ కమాండ్స్ లిస్ట్. That's fine. We need to have Spider-Man. సో నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి ఒక లైక్ యానిమేషన్ వచ్చింది. సో నేను 2 డిస్లైక్లు చేశాను. ఇప్పుడు ఆబ్వియస్గా ఒక డిస్లైక్ వస్తుంది, కానీ ఇక్కడ 2 ఒకటిసారి వస్తున్నాయి చూసారా. 2 dislikes ఒకసారి ఉన్నాయి. సో యూట్యూబ్ కూడా కొంచెం క్యూ చేస్తుంది. అయితే నేను పెద్దగా, మీరు కూడా ఎవరైనా డిస్లైక్ చేశారా? నాకు సపరేట్ -1 వచ్చిందంటే someone disliked. So use.main /speak reset, take messages, like, compare, and send YouTube message for congratulations. This totally fine. Okay, let's deploy this. What are other changes? Helper, this one will be gone. Okay, let's dislike this. Sorry, this do not dislike. Let's deploy this and see how it works. So I have to run these commands. I don't think I have to run these commands. I can just make a copy of this. Totally fine. And then save like animation. Commit. Once that is pushed, I would go to my Raspberry Pi and deploy it. Guys, కొంచెం ఆన్లైన్లో ఉండండి, డిప్లాయ్ అయ్యాక టెస్ట్ చేద్దాం. మీరు లేనిది నేను టెస్ట్ చేయలేను, అదే నా ప్రాబ్లం. పక్కా లైవ్ స్ట్రీమ్ రన్నింగ్ ఉండాలి, ఎవరైనా ఒకళ్ళు ఉంటే టెస్టింగ్కి యూజ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఇది నా సర్వర్లో రన్ అయ్యాను, చూద్దాం. ls cd stream assistant ls git stash డేటాబేస్ పోద్దా ఉంటుంది git stash. ls okay, user database somehow undi, so git pulling new changes. Oh, it's not, it's work out. Sorry. I need to build this for Linux. 1 second. Build no problem. cmd. So I need to build this and maintain another executable file. Totally forgot, my bad. It's close. Alerts, okay. Nagala bulb wala em kanabadatledu. 1 minute. Read me. Okay. I need to run all these commands. Where is it? Not here. Okay. Paste. This should build my alerts system. Okay.
It has been built. Now I have to also commit this file. Build push. Okay, push sync. Okay, while that is syncing, I will pull it one more time. It's done. Get pull. This should only pull the new file. Fast forward, that's done. And then I need to run sudo chmod plus x alerts. Then I command. Let's do this over. Yeah, okay. So sudo systemctl status alert alerts.service. We కనిపిస్తున్న screen? Yeah. Systemctl alerts alerts.service. So that చిన్న చేస్తా మీకు కనబడేటట్టు ఉంటుంది. Okay, alerts are working fine. Let's system sudo systemctl restart alert.service. It's restarted. Application is restarted. Let's see. I don't know if it's working or not. X. Probably something is wrong. Let's see. Restart alert service status. Yeah, failed to execute, permission denied. Okay, this is evergreen system. Permission denied. Why would it have permission denied? Okay. Sudo restart. ఎలానో చేస్తారా బాబు. Raspberry Pi restart sudo command. I don't want to restart, bro. Risky. Alert service restart enabled. It says it's running, and what's the problem? Restart alerts.service status. Let's try it one more time. Speak hello. Well, it's definitely not working, but because the server didn't restart properly. Sudo systemctl failed to locate the executable alerts, permission denied. I do have it right here. Do I have it? I do have it there, alerts. It's a directory. Very up to date. That means alerts is not directory. Chmod, let's run it one more time. Chmod plus x alerts. Wow, how it is a directory? All right, let's go ChatGPT. Means that you're running alerts ls. It shouldn't be definitely it shouldn't be a directory. If it is this one, Did I accidentally deploy it as a server or something? No, that's definitely not a directory. It's an executable file. Not a directory. It's not a directory. This case of C. This is a regular file, not directory. Yet you're still getting this. What's happening? Your file name directory. There are both. No, there is only one. How to fix it? Rename the file and cmod. Okay. Git stash. Git pull. Okay, there are no changes. Rm rf alert less. Okay, there is no alerts. Git pull. Already up to date. Probably I didn't push it. Let's see. Build push. Let me rebuild one more time just to be sure. Alex, do I have the file? Yes. Build to commit sync. Hey, Mr. Hacker, welcome to the stream. My board is currently down. I did some changes. I redeployed it. I'm currently struggling with my production environment to fix it. Give me 1 minute. Git pull. It should pull the new file. It's pulling. Okay, it's still pulling. 1 second. Okay, I can still chat, Mr. Hacker. You can still text messages like before. It's just your messages and everything is not going. Testing 12, testing. Yeah, it's still not working. I have to see what's the changes. ls. I have the file now. It still says it's a directory. Gmod, is it +x or -x? You know what? Let's just make a copy of it. I do have it's +x. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, it needs to be inside alerts. Okay. Wait a minute. CD alerts, inside alerts, there is just CD alerts. I think I messed up something. There's only one alert. Where is the rest? Where is all these files? Did I lose my database for some reason? I don't think so. Full stack. Full. Okay, ls cd alert ls. My doubt is, yeah, now I have all my code. Fine. Okay, just put git pull. I accidentally removed the entire alerts directory. So inside Steam Assistant directory, there is alerts. Inside that, there is the alerts executable file. I was trying to execute this directory alert. My bad. Gmod +x alerts. So yeah, now that's green. So definitely it's executable. So Sleep, welcome back. The Railing Imbama board is having some tough time. So I just deployed it one last time. Sudo systemctl data restart alerts.service. Sudo systemctl status alert service. That's a different error now. Yeah, the server is up. Guys. Let's test it. I might need to refresh these 1 second.
I need to move my bulb for a minute. Okay, things are looking good. I just restarted my. Looks like the server is not up yet. If it's up, that should be gone. Error loading the env file. Looks like I have removed the env file. Stupid me. Let's see. Yeah, the points table is gone because I forgot to. I accidentally removed. Where is mine? What? Why can't I drag these? It's okay. I have faced these issues before. It's no biggie. No biggie. Hey, 1 second, guys. I think I forgot to push the env. Yeah. Okay, I'll just paste the env right here now. ls cd alerts ls. Inside alerts, I need to have a cnv file touch.env sudo nano.env. Okay, let me give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm saving my env file. Yes. Okay, let's restart it now. It happens. Things happens. No worries. No worries, guys. Connected to Mongo. Now this should be working. I got it. Some things came back. Why is the speak command still? Yeah. Things should be working fine now, guys. I don't know which layout am I in. Okay. Tough day. So let's finalize now. Let's test. Okay, the stream got 8 likes. The data is back. Hello.
Rocky Bai says, hello.
Yeah, I had a tough time. Yeah, it's working now. So, I mean, the leaderboard is definitely had to reset because I have accidentally removed the entire directory. But I do have this database. Database is still the same. It's not changed. So I would like you guys to test it now.
Manish says, hi.
Why does it say Manish say hi? Did I delete my database as well? Yeah, it looks like it, but no worries. No worries, I expected this to happen and I have a copy of my database. Oh my god, I am so stupid. So I have my database file, so I would just basically get these file, download this one. I have it. I don't know where did I download it. It's inside streamings. No, let's have it here. The desktop.
Thorin Vemula says, nenu like chesi.
With Batman. Oh yeah, Batman's would work fine. Just 1 minute. I have disabled it. Yep. Now you can try. No, you can try it again. Nightcrawler. Inside desktop. Desktop is too hard. So inside here it's fine. Use the database. Now I need to copy this file to my Raspberry Pi to a certain location. So guys, give me 1 minute. I need to reset my database so that your information stays the same. If not, the database would be gone. What is it called? This is terrible. Okay, let's see. I'm in a panic mode, so let's use AI. I have a file. I need to copy that to my Raspberry Pi. I have IP addresses. Oh, cases. Those work fine. Those work fine. It's the database which is missed. From Linux to Mac. It's Windows to Linux. Perfect. You're copying from Windows. Okay. Raspberry Pi file. Okay. Example.
Okay, cool. Let's try running that then. Terminal. Let's see. So this should be inside which file? What is the directory of it? Should be home. Where now? Which? Now path. What? How can I get the path of the current directory? We're trying to find the location of the file of the command which says with Python no. Oh, it's pwd. It's pwd. So it's home, Konda. Okay, these two are needed. Okay, now I need to just copy the file path. 1 minute, guys. I want you guys to stay. Please. Okay, it's ID. Dinesh, I'm so sorry. Can you stay 1 minute? I am deploying my application in prod. I definitely want you guys to send a message one more time after this. User DB. What the hell? There is definitely a user DB inside it. Why doesn't it found? I do have the file, stupid. I definitely have the file. ls. I definitely have the file. Why wouldn't it work? I don't have time. This. It looks like it. I mean, that's exactly what I. Oh, sorry. I didn't give the extension. I extension. I definitely didn't give the extension. It should be. What is the extension of this? It's db.db. Okay. User db.db. Did it work fine? Yep, it worked. So let's restart. Okay, let's see. I don't really think I should delete. I should lose my database. Hopefully, I didn't. It would be a bad day for me. Okay, my data is back. All right, Dinesh Singh, I would like to send Dinesh, Tarun, whoever is watching now, just send messages so that I can have your record. I have your data on record. I have my old database, but that is only. Someone disliked. Don't know why. So yeah, everything's working. It was my bad. I just deleted the database file, but I had a database clone inside. I luckily keep my database backed up every day, but I don't do it manually. My program does it for me. Thank you so much. I just have to download this file and update it. Okay, Manish is here. Were you having 19 points before? Yeah, Tarun also got his points. So Dinesh, if you're watching, just send some message. It's totally fine. And Rocky buys myself, Mr. Hacker, if you're here, send the message, please. I think before that, everyone is on record. Oh, PS is gone, Deepak is gone, Preet is gone. All those people who send messages today, they are gone. That is the reason I don't really deploy when I'm doing live streams. It causes issues. Oh, PS is still here. So I got PS on record now. No worries. PS is still here. So this is what happened, guys. Okay, there is, let's say these are directories. Inside my Stream Assistant directory, there is alerts. Inside that, there is alerts. For some reason, I tried this a directory. I tried this to make this directory as, what is it called? Executable. But I'm supposed to do this. As I was getting error, I just directly deleted this alerts, and inside that there was the database. I should delete this and then run this one. It's gone. It's fine. I'll just be careful next time. Yeah, 30. But the problem is, whatever you send messages today,
those are not recorded. I mean, those are recorded in the old database. Maybe I can revert it. Can I revert RMRF? AI, this is too slow. Let's ask AI. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Can I revert RMRF? Unfortunately, you cannot revert once the files are deleted. It's like, okay. Basically, I can't. Yeah, basically I can't. So it's totally fine. So things I learned today, that is, don't use RMRF unless you're sure. I totally forgot that Stream Assistant will have a directory called alerts, and inside alerts there is the executable file. There are 2 alerts. I accidentally really deleted the main alert. So yeah, this has been applied. Everything is fine now. Yeah, just leave it. Yeah, so it's fine. There's nothing I can do, so it's totally fine. It's a good thing that I'm keeping a database clone of it. I'm so happy that I thought about it and just make a clone. It's an R clone which triggers every day at 2 a.m. I guess. After I normally stop the stream, and then the data will be uploaded back to. Someone removed the like. What's happening? Is YouTube removing the like, or are you guys removing it? Okay, cool. So let's get back to basics. So this is done. I'm removing this. And what else? Yeah, let's continue with the Amazon automation thing. It's mostly working fine. I just need to make few small changes. Yeah. I just deleted my own database, man. It's fine. I have the yesterday's database. Whatever happened today in the previous, before 1 hour, those are gone. So basically, Deepak Sai, if I scroll back to the old messages, Deepak Sai is gone. AJ Rans, I think that's a new viewer. AJ Rans. UV's data is gone. Oh, AJ Rans is an old viewer, so that means he's still on record. I don't really care about those points because no one is going to use it anyways. I just want you guys to be on record that you guys joined this stream. So whoever joined today, except PS, I think those are gone. And mostly there are only 1 or 2 viewers who I got today. Yeah, that's enough punishment for me. So cool. Let's work with this. All I need to do is just make a test run to see how is this working, and in the meantime I will deploy this code to my other one, which is Bus Desktop Web. This bulb is too bright, I can't really see my screen, so just keep it low. If it's too low, you guys won't be able to stream. I think this is fine. I'll just keep it. I'm trying to keep my bulb over my camera. I don't want it to burn my wires. Too bright. It's too hot as well. I'm trying to balance it. That looks fine. Yeah, that looks fine. All right, people. Do not do RMRF unless you're sure about it. So this is my laptop, or basically another remote server. I'm just doing a git stab. Yep. This should already up to date. That means I haven't committed anything. Okay, that's totally fine. So these are all the changes. Jotai, yeah, API constants, that's already Typescript. What I have changed here? It's fine. I can revert this back if needed. API Go, Tennessee, US, and then this is also fine. Public can be accessed by anyone, and this one should only be accessed by media that can be accessed by anyone. I don't want any errors. How can I handle error? There is no try catch? Oh, there's no try catch, I guess. Okay, event failed, that's totally fine. Middleware.go, it's going to try to authenticate. Where is my env? Okay, env looks fine. I don't really want to push this env token, but that's this is a private repository anyway, so I can push it. Outside, running outside. API.go. Where is middleware? Middleware.go. I don't need this print statement. So yeah, this looks fine. I should be able to push this. I applied all the middlewares for whichever route which are necessary. So let's push this. Yeah, don't do RF. That's totally bad, man. But it's fine. I would be more upset if I didn't keep the backup of my database file. I actually thought about it while I was writing the script for it. I was like, do I really need it? Why would I delete the database? But then I just got a voice from inside me like stating that just do it. It takes an hour, but that saved my entire database now. So yeah, I can push this code happily. So let's do it. This code, middleware added, commit, changes, that's fine. While that's still running, I can go to my deployment server right here and I can deploy my changes. So cd deploy, and let's see if it's already pushed. It's still running. Yeah, it's pushed. But oh, am I doing full screen or what? Okay, it's running. It's doing a git stash and it's pulling my new changes. This is actually a fast laptop. It has an 8-core CPU in it. This should be good. My server is up. Let's see. Okay, server is up. AmazonDeals.com. This is the new site, I guess. Yeah, so far so good. So all I need to do now is the backend is pushed. It shouldn't be accessed by some random people. Oh, there is no such thing. Okay. What is it called? Middleware. How can I access that middleware? So I only want my. Anyone from electronics? I am from pure computer science. Anyway, welcome to the stream, Roshan. If you are into programming, then it's a good place to be. If not, then I. Apart from electronics, I do have a wattage meter where I use. I don't know where it is. Oh, it's in downstairs. If you are electronics, maybe I can ask you a question. I am facing one problem. It's a real life problem. I'm unable to understand what to do. I can just paste that question and ask AI. But so I'm having a trouble with a with a socket, and they want me to diagnose this. Troubleshoot first. It is a nearby GFCI outlet. I don't know what the hell is this. Oh, this is the one. Okay, that needs to be reset. Then there needs to be there are only few outlets that handle an entire circuit. Please locate all and check to be sure they do not need to reset. Any other items being plugged into all? Obviously not the case, so I'm ignoring this. Each GFIC receptacle has a test and reset button. Once each month, press the test button. This will trip the circuit. To return the service, press the reset button. If the GFIC breaker trips during the normal usage, it might be an indication of faulty appliance, and some investigation is in the order. This is possible, not the case. I think I understand this. I do not have this. My breaker is not being tripped. It's just turning off my device. Okay, let's ignore that. Focus on the main thing. Oh yeah, Harish, welcome back. Yeah, I did restart my stream. Something bad happened. Are you not here all this time? Yeah, something bad happened. I accidentally deleted my database. I got it back again, but the backed up database was from yesterday's. So basically, whatever you sent till now, then it's gone. So yeah, the server has been deployed. So let's try testing it. So basically, this is my API. I don't want anyone to access it other than my applications. Let's see what are my API endpoints. I have no clue. API. So this is deal. So bad gateway. Why? Classic. Yeah, I did an RF. That's, don't do RF. So this is what happened. Excalibur. So this is what happened. I am closing this. So I have stream assistant directory. This is a directory, and inside that there is alerts, and that's a directory, and inside that there is alerts executable. They basically have the same name. Which Go framework do you use for building APIs? Fiber. It's more like Express, so it's easy developer experience. I can write code faster in that, and it works fine for me. So I am supposed to remove this file, but I removed this one because they both have the same name. I just remove it. What is no preserve root? I have no idea. Oh, I did RMRF. That's why I didn't say no preserve root. I just said RMRF. These are not root directories, so it would just happily delete it. So I was supposed to delete this one, but I deleted this. This has all the code, database file, env files, everything. Bigo, what is that? Oh, this seems new. I tried Mux, bit different from Express. Gotta give it a try for this. Okay. Oh, I heard about it. I heard about it. There are a lot of packages actually. There are a lot of packages. But I personally felt all these are basically the similar. I wanted server-side events. I wanted WebSockets. I wanted custom linking to templates. Fiber was the only one with my exploration skills, I found it's helpful, so I just picked it up. There is other Gin, Mux, Bigo, but I don't really know what is the code differences between these. Yeah, it is fixed. It is fixed. This is a bad gateway. So let's see, did I just crash my API or what? Oh, it's bad gateway. Yeah, I am terrible too. You can see my executable is also alerts. My folder name is also alerts. I think instead of breaking it, I am just I got an error for some reason. Boot C. Yeah, all developers, most of them doesn't really know good naming culture. That's for sure. Documents, GitHub, my application just crashed. So let me see what is the problem with it. There should be an output file, something like this. There is no output. Okay. Basic auth, C. Okay, if this is, but it would still not crash. Why would it crash? You know what? Let's fix this. let's fix this. I'm adding the output added, and then I press this, I deploy sync commit. Hello, I don't want to comment a commit log, it's totally fine, and I just push run mux gin rum. Yeah, sometimes speak command is not working. The thing is, as you can see, for some reason YouTube doesn't allow that thing to be coming up to my stream. Someone like my stream, thank you so much. Hey Venom, welcome. So you can see you have sent, this is the only message which starts with speak, and I received it. I got 10 likes now, thank you so much. But I didn't get any other speak message before that. This is, I didn't remove your comment, it's just didn't get to my computer yet. So for some reason YouTube is not allowing it. I have no clue why. I have disabled entire, all possible moderations, but it's still working the same. Does this work? Yeah, it does. I'll keep it here so that you guys can see, or else somewhere here. Where is my Chrome? Okay, let me deploy this, and then I'll get back. PD. Let's go to the history. Yeah, this one. Let's deploy. It should be no changes to the save. Okay. In meantime, it should be deployed. Okay, that's deployed. So these are the messages. You can see put in, what is in. Oh, I forgot this. The server is up, but for some reason when I do this, it's crashing. So what exactly happens when I do deals? Get deals, basic auth, it just returns a JSON. And why would it crash? Okay, press deals. It crashed. It crashed again, so this is the right time. Cool. Guys, it's better to speak in English so that my AI can also understand. It's a request. Prime ఇక్కడ లేదా ఉంది కానీ మనోడికి నేనే కావాలి. So go server. Okay, output. No output. Okay, output వచ్చింది. There is no error, but there is no output. So probably while returning, I need to return the C. For some reason, it's not working. Okay, let's test it in local at least. Localhost 3000, that's fine. And then I get deals. Did it crash? It crashed. So let's see what's happening. Grow rented middleware auto function. It says something. Index out of range. So it came to this. Then this get executed. I didn't get this one. Basic function middleware.go.10. Okay. Maybe problem is this. So fmt.println. Let's maintain our classic instead of complexing things. It's running. Let's see this, if this is working. Yeah, that's working. And then I do this deals. It's gone. Hey Loki, welcome to the stream. You seem new. Show my face. Stupid. Show my face. Why isn't that working? Show my, oh, I muted my mic, sorry. Show my face. So for some reason this button is responsible for my mic, and when I leave it like this, my thighs would press against the chair and the button is being pressed. Okay, Loki, welcome to the stream. This is BlazingBane. It's mostly about programming. I build cool projects. I also, interact with the chat. If you like my stream, something's going to happen. If you dislike, something's going to happen. It should work. I don't think that's possible. It should definitely work. I didn't get that speak message. Probably YouTube has removed it. I only got, oh, speak not working. That's the message I'm seeing right now. Yeah, Batman is working. Yeah, those are, you can control what appears on my face. Try Vim key bindings, bro. Never, bro. I tried it, but it's taking too much time. Back to gaming. So yeah, this is the program I'm trying to make right now, and I feel like something's happening. I think remove Batman. Why that didn't work? Try. Oh, you guys triggering Batman again. So one guy had set Batman, someone removed. So just say again, just say Batman again, it's going to work. Just say remove Batman again, it works right now. So something's happening here. Fiber.v2, where is the error? It's in the 11 statement. This is the one. Oh, I'm not getting this one then. Yeah, basically I need to write proper if conditions. Can you review my portfolio? I'm trying to get some internships, trying to build confidence. Sure, I can do that, but I'm not really an expert. So yeah, let's review this. Are you guys ready? Send me the link in Twitter or Discord somewhere. You can, if you want to get the links, just type !links. It will give you the links. Don't post links inside YouTube chat. It won't work. Yeah, let's review. Let's roast someone. I might not have this. On else. It should be a little bit up. Let's see what happens now. I need my guy token. Yeah. Hey, thank you so much, Iconic. So this is the final test. Let's see. It's totally working fine. This is deals. Says unauthorized. Oh, all right. Yeah. I'm saying bye to Tarun. I got a message in Discord. Let's see. For some reason, I'm seeing this as empty. What audio am I in? Okay. Where is my other audio? It's fine. Where is this one? Okay. Try the speak command now. FMT print. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's no API token. This is working fine. If its length is not equal to 0, what is it? It's a string of array, and then if it's 0, if it's request, then it's. How hard is React? It's easier in the first, then it gets difficult as you write big program. So let's React this. Let's React. Did someone send any messages? I don't see any recruits. Paras has joined. Is that Loki? Paras? Alerts? Nothing's important. I don't see any new messages. I'm still waiting for him to send a message. So no, Paras, it's you. Then where is Loki? He wanted me to react for his portfolio. Okay, so let's trigger the front end now.
VS Code, open this. Fenton npm run dev. Let's finish this. Let's finish this. Wait, sending you on Discord. Okay, no problem. While you do that, I'll just, okay, events has been. Hey, you see the toast is working. You see the toast is working. The toasts are working. The toasts are working. How that would work, anyways? That shouldn't work. That definitely shouldn't work. So no API token. Okay, and then it should return these. How would that work? That shouldn't work actually. Where is the reset? Event reset. I heard a message. 1 second. API event reset. Reset event. Let's see where I'm using this. Oh, my bad. If what should it call? Output. If output toast, else events reset fail. Now I should see something new. Yeah, event reset fail. Definitely. That's what I should basically receive. What is the API call for it? There is no API. Am I even making an API call? No. I am. I have 3 to 4 years experience. Doesn't I look like that? So rude. I don't see general. Yeah. Yo, Rokishu. All right. Let's Lokesh. Yeah. Let's react to this Lokesh person. 1, 2, 3. Before doing that, I would like to test something new. Give me 1 second. That's not working. Definitely not. Definitely won't work. Inside this content, I would while making videos, I was thinking, like, how can I use this chat screen? I would like to record this. Hey, don't be nervous, man. Don't be nervous. You definitely don't have to be nervous. So this is the green. Okay, let's try making it a lighter green. How can I set it to light green? Dude, that's so stupid. Come on, man. What is it called? Light green. Yes. Okay, what is this color code for this? Okay, this one. Should be this. Why can't I change it? Yeah, okay. So my main approach was to record this overlay as well, so that I can put it in my offline videos. Did speak didn't work? I didn't listen anything. So let's see if speak is working or not. Speak should work fine. I think that I know the problem. Now it would definitely work. Also, let me restart these. Okay, just restart. Time restart. Board installer restart. Okay. Now server is not definitely down. I think it should work fine.
Rocky Bai says, hi, sorry.
So yeah, there are certain things I need to do. Okay. So my approach was to record these, whatever is happening right now. So let's see OBS. Normally, man. Exactly. So just record this, but I also want the chat. But if I have the white background, I wasn't able to remove it.
So why not just put a green background in the and just save the chat? I don't want these icons. I'm just going to keep your usernames. So I am going to record this window.
Harish says, kinda like pramaanam at top right.
Yes, but I don't want that to be visible on the stream. I can definitely do that easily. I don't want that to be visible on the stream. I want that to be visible in my videos. Pastel green, sorry, iconic. So yeah, this is how it records. But how could I match it? Basically, I might need to record the time as well, probably. Yeah, let's record the background video as well.
Harish says, your string handling is pretty good.
Your string handling is pretty good. What am I handling? Okay, let's do this for the first time. Let's see how it reacts. I don't want it to be recording to a max quality, so let's set it to 3000. You can use graphic card, doesn't matter. You can use this one, highest quality. What is it using? It's using H-string, so yeah, that's enough bitrate for this. Let's go. Kind of like Prime, that's the only thing I saw. Okay, let's react this. I'm so sorry, Lokesh, if you're still here. Okay, let's react to this site. It's still loading. Okay, looks good. Are there any icons here? Hi, hey, my name is Lokesh Daryal. I'm a web developer. I have 3 years of experience as a coding enthusiast and 2 years as a full stack developer working with React and other JS. Just slowly scrolling down. Projects. Okay. Still fine. Memory games. Code generator. It's basically making an API call and getting it. Okay, it's fine. Solving real problems with expanding library. My experience. Okay. Contact me. Okay. So this. Hey, C++, yeah. Where did you see C++? Yeah, C++ right here. Okay. Iconic is a low-level programmer, so he's excited. So start is this one, product is this one, inside is this one, and contact is this one. Okay, so I'll remove my specs. Maybe it's the colors which I see. You need to work on your colors, that's for sure. There is no way I'm not able to. Of course, I'm able to see that LO, but that needs to be, logos needs to be in a specific color. I'm not saying follow my website, but logos needs to be visible. There is it. Yeah, logos needs to be visible, and then hey, my name is Lokesh, I'm an engineer. So this, even this section, it looks fine, but these are not professional fonts. These navigation, I mean, it's a portfolio website. You would like to showcase this. They don't really look this way. I don't really see it as a professional, and this website doesn't really prove this, especially 2 years experience and 3 years experience. I would like to suggest more of colors as well as font selection. If you love your font, then keep that, no problem. Yeah, exactly. There are certain things. Maybe he's using this to control this, like hashtag. It's the anchor tags. That's what they use. Even this inside, this looks fine. This looks fine. These animations look subtle. Again, the font not at all good. Even this, you're trying to combine multiple things. Does anyone feel there are too much clustered borders? When I zoom out and see, there are a lot of borders, there are a lot of icons. I didn't design it, probably Loki did it. Again, this is not visible one more time. So there are too many borders for this. And we are very boxed. Yeah, somewhat very boxed. This section is fine. This is fine. Again, why would you want like a box for the header? It's one thing I would like to fix. So I would suggest your portfolio website needs to have experience on the top. Oh, I think he said he's searching for internships. Oh, you're trying to get an internships, but you said 2+ years and 3 years. Maybe I got confused. No worries. So these icons are fine. Imagine having borders to the icons. So that's definitely not needed. You already have icons. You're a final year student. I understand. That means this is a decent website. Sorry, this is a decent website for final year student. You might need to rephrase this a little bit, because when you say portfolio website, when you see these numbers, these are expected to be real examples. If that's the case, I'm like 8 years experience of a programmer developer, but I only have 3 years of working experience. So when you say experience, it's work experience. I'm not disencouraging you or trying to bring you down. I would never do that. You can ask all my previous chat. So work on your colors. This should be bright. This should be brighter than this. And you don't really need this text. So yeah, I'm an engineer. Yeah, work on your fonts. That can be fixed. This navigation is not at all up to point. You might need to rewrite this. Either you are an over bordered boxed like person. Maybe you enjoy borders a lot. This section is fine. This is absolutely fine. These two, 1, 2, 3, 4. These sections are fine. Bring this experience to the top. Projects next to that. Then you can have it whatever you want. Would be rate that and give me suggestions. I just started building. It's not complete. Okay. Try using typewriter font and typewriter animation. Hey, it's totally fine. You should see I don't even have an active portfolio. I think my last portfolio, I built it in 2019, I guess. I don't even know the URL of it. This is not the one. Yeah, I built this back in 2019 or 18. It still loads. There is a lot of junk still needs to be loaded. So I'll be honest, my website looks trash. So I'm not saying that I need to have a better website to review you. So yeah, work on your colors. Again, the icon is not at all visible. You see how the other icons are visible? Icons tend to be bright. They need to be visible. They had to be visible. Your icon yellow is not visible. So this is my site. Again, I don't know when did I build this. It's way too old. The icons are gone. I'm 27.1 years old. This was me back in 2019. I was on a trip. That's it. I hate this website, by the way. Yeah, the photo is fine, but I hate this website. And it's what I made for the first time. I think this doesn't work. Yeah. So compared to my website, yours look good. All you need is colors and drop these borders. There are too many borders. Just drop them. That's right. No, I am now 27. Back in 2019, I was like what? 20 or 21, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, back in the day, those ratings were expected. People had a lot of ratings in them. I survived 27 years of life. Hopefully, I've survived more. Same for you guys. So what can be updated here? So you have a lot of icons, and you applied border for those icons. It would look so beautiful if you remove the borders and just the icons. Have the same animation, that's totally fine. That would bring a lot more space to this text. And we can see the heading and almost this looks okay. This looks okay. And the text is also a little bit clustered. But compared to the others, this looks fine. See, you have a border, and then inside that you have a border again. Yeah, there are too many. There are definitely too many, but he's trying to balance it out. That's what I'm guessing it. He expected to be 3 columns. So imagine either he needs to drop way too more icons or just add few more. So you can definitely drop. No one cares about HTML. That's fine. If you remove the borders, you will have a lot more space to this. That's one good case. And icon man. Yeah. Maybe till project. Exactly. I was about to tell that. Look, yes, just use Go. Nightcrawler is trying to, yeah. I understand. When I also build such websites, there is a reason I added so many icons so that it looks symmetric. So if you drop few icons, if you drop 4 or 5, you would get more space for this. Yeah, just lose whatever you like. Yeah. This should have been inside the same. So there is no need to have these many. And LinkedIn should be on the top. So your name, there should be a LinkedIn and GitHub icon right here. Your professional socials like GitHub, LinkedIn, or resume. If you have a resume, add a button there. Those needs to be right on the top. Then comes the experience, then comes the project, all the other things after that. You don't need this much of real estate just to say you're a programmer. People know you're already a programmer. Just remove this. This is not really needed. You're already a programmer, you're already engineer. Just say you're a 3 years experienced person. This is your experience. After that, you can start the projects and try to have the icons on the top and remove this thing, man. Yeah, it's in the bottom, I guess. Let's not open LinkedIn. Yeah, let's not open LinkedIn. I don't have. I didn't expect that. It says LinkedIn. I think I can directly post the links. Sad. Yeah, I think I can directly post the links. Well, it would definitely contradict. It needs to be LinkedIn. I don't really enjoy LinkedIn. After I got a job, I just ignored it. So yeah, these are the few inputs I would give. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are too big of boxes, man. So I would say mix these all things inside this experience tab. So you have the icons already for these projects, I guess. So have that icons and then, pour on them so that you can show them, okay, I use these React, Express, Mongo tools to show that. I would suggest that. So yeah, that's my, what you can say, review, I guess. I hope I didn't really crush your heart or disengage you. I'm just being honest. If you need any help, let us join the chat so that we can understand what's happening. I'm not a great at UI design as well. Hey, by the way, I just have 3 showable projects. What should I do in my portfolio design? Showable projects, yeah. So this is what I would suggest. In order to showcase your projects, have a small box, all right, and the icons, what tools you have used to build that, a small logo or an icon. If you have a project icon, that's totally fine. Not many would have it, so just paste a screenshot, okay, and then a little bit of description. That's it. If anyone hovers on them, you can write a bigger description. Okay, I use this to design, but I'm not really that great in designing UIs. I just understand what industry wants and then just respond to it. So this is one thing. Yeah, that's one way I see. With this, you can save a lot of space in your website. Welcome to the stream, bro. This is BlazingBane. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. There are a lot of cool stuff happening on my stream, so people enjoy. If you enjoy it, drop a like. If you like my stream, something's going to happen. If you dislike, something's going to happen. You can control what appears on my face. So yeah, give it a try. If you enjoy it, drop a subscribe. If you don't, it's up to you. I mean, what am I trying to do? So yeah, this works fine now. So let's give the API endpoint unauthorized, totally fine. That's definitely authorized. Someone definitely removed a like. I wish I can track who removed the like so that their usernames can be shown. That's definitely iconic. So if you cannot just directly access my website anymore, so that's another case. So let's work with this one. It's fine, it's fine. So yeah, how many likes do I have? Oh, 9 likes. I thought I had 10. It's fine. So main, that's totally fine. In the API, definitely Loki after the review. Yeah. Yeah, someone disliked my stream. That has to be Loki after the review. There was someone else who has who I reviewed the portfolio. It was a fun reaction, man. But he had cool design, I guess. Except many struggle with colors for some reason. Even myself, I just struggle with colors. Oh no, okay. Oh, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's just the problem is the more you dislike, YouTube thinks something's bad is going to it's happening in my YouTube. I'm thinking to remove that dislike animation because it's causing issues. I didn't expect that YouTube, the moment you dislike, YouTube does something, but it's definitely doing it. Yeah, of course, of course. You haven't shared your design yet. Once they are done, let me know. I'm definitely going to share. Semaphore. What is the other complex words you told me one day? Semaphore and some other things. So API, that's fine. And once I have this, so if token equals to request.header equals to 0, if there is no API token, I need to get it from env. So go env, I need to install it. I might need to go away. After 30 minutes, I'll go away. You're leaving, my Manish? Okay. I don't know. You guys can share links. I disabled that feature. Sorry, I let what you call just YouTube thing. It would just not let you guys post the links. Token. You can just. He's in Discord, I guess. You can share it in the Discord. Token. Let's say env token. Something's happening with my keyboard. It's not fast. Get env react env. That's not definitely not react env. It is called verified token. Okay. So let's see print ln env token. So let's see, both are the same. It's 12. Gotta go bye bye. Yeah, it's 12 already. So I would stop the stream as well because many would not watch anyways. Okay, I saw the token now. That's totally fine. Okay, now what else? I have these. I would just open my browser, I guess. I might need to deploy it before, but let's test it. This is a page. I will paste it here. And then I was about to sleep at 10. I mean, is it because of my stream or what? It's still not working for some reason. I have given the post. Oh, maybe it's fetching. It's making an API call for my other events. Okay. Now it's doing for the same one. Once I've done this, I'm also going to stop streaming. So where is it? Where is my output? Okay. It says running. Yeah, I do stream every day. I do stream every day. Hope you subscribe. If the moment you subscribe, you will know that I'm streaming. And I'm not ending as of now. I still have 30 more minutes. I would just finish this work. For some reason my API is not working. I'm just feeling strange why it's not working. You did? Thank you so much. Celebrate. Celebrate. Dude, what's wrong? Why things not working? I have muted it again one more time. I'm sure I have muted it again. Yeah, see, it's not. Hello? Hello? Now it's working. Celebrate. Finally, it's working. Dude, you had to deploy that case now. So I'm Indian, but I'm from US. So it's actually I'm posting my time right there. It's 2:33. Hey, iconic is here. Okay, for some reason, pull request, it should have the API token. Am I not sending the API token or what? Let's see. Let's see all the network tabs. This is the pool. What is the header? Am I what? Where's the header? Let's put some links so that I can know no API token and invalid token. I do have these links. Then what's the problem? What am I getting? Response? No response. Yeah, I think it says squark error. Oh, localhost is not allowed. I didn't think localhost is not allowed. So let's fix that. Main. Where is main? Yeah. What? I'm allowing everything. Why is it not working, dude? Oh, on my way. Okay. Reset events failed. It says recent event has failed, but where is it? It's not even making an API call. That's the API token. What else? Polling events, that's the one. Okay. Coarse error. It says coarse error. Definitely says unauthorized now. Where is the damn output? Yeah. No API token. Sent? Where did you send? Oh, these are the two links. Okay. Let's check the designs now. Okay, this is the website you're working on. This is just a design. You said two links. I can't scroll. Probably this is just an image then. Yeah, this is the way I'm talking about, add icons directly. I am not really a big fan of what colors you're picking. A lighter background and a lighter text. Not really my choice. This looks fine. I'm zooming out. 80%, 75%, 25, reset. Dude, Harish, do you think I'm... Trust me, bro. Oh. Open in Canva. How can I open in Canva? This is in Canva itself. Yeah, it is Canva. So this is a slide through. Oh, my project. Okay. You're trying to do it. Did you just share me a PPT, bro? Yeah, I was saying I did zoom in. I did zoom in. So colors, again, you need to work on your colors, and yeah, this design is fine. You don't need high IAM. That's definitely not needed. It was a PPT, yeah. So these images are fine. You might need to work on the font. Iconic itself is a pookie. My project, this section it's fine. It looks good. Redis client, this is the one you're working on. Volume controller, no idea what is this. You told me about this. I checked your code for this as well. Skill section, machine learning. See, the colors are not. You need to definitely work on colors. 2030. You just made your website future proof or what? Half of them, I don't know. I don't even know what are all these. I know this is Terraform, and I don't know this one. These are the different icons. So work on your colors. That's one thing. And font. I mean, yeah, every website has its own font and character. This looks fine. Tensor. Oh, that is TensorFlow. Yeah. Sorry. Was there a Git link beside the socials in the first page? 1, 2, 3. It's Keras. What would that be? Deep learning for humans. Is it what, a free website or? Yeah, I got to learn stuff like these. Okay, in pipe 2. Someone removed a mic. Yeah, that's basically the Git is GitHub, but he placed the wrong icon. It should be GitHub icon, but it's totally fine. Hey, welcome back, Nanda. Welcome back. I'm just reviewing, reacting to the files. I got the like. So let's work on the next thing, which is my output. I got a new like. Feels good. Yeah, could not find the icon on Canva. Oh, while making a website, obviously you can. I'm getting a core error, but for some reason Oh, that thing I can't really help. You can see my colors. You can just see I just have one formula. Dark on bright on dark, bright on dark, bright on dark. That's it. That's one formula, and I think it looks good. So see, even here it should be light and light. That's not a good combination. It should be dark, light dark, and then bright. So this is dark. This is what you call it, light dark, and then white. If you have two bright colors in one place, it doesn't look that good. Even I did the same for my blocks as well. Let it load. Someone left a like on my Instagram. I don't know who that is. Seems good. Anyway, that's how Instagram token works. You got a light on light because you don't want much attention on it. What logic is that? The websites are meant to be attention grabbing. They are meant to be opened and looked at. No, I'm not using CMS. I use Hugo. This is all static rendered. That's why it's fast. Yes, markdown files. Yes, totally. But I'm using Alpine.js to have some dynamic components inside this. So these view counts, these are dynamic. So these are being used as these are made possible using Alpine.js. Okay. Then remove it. Then just remove it. That's the reason I'm telling you. Don't need high. Just remove it. This can be decreased a little bit, and this cannot be the same size of this one. So you definitely go ahead and remove high IAM and have this the same font and color, that's fine. Decrease the size of them. And I don't think anyone would read all these unless you have a lover who wants to read. That's another story. Yeah, this looks fine. This looks fine. Thick border, way too thick. Yeah. You might need to find some colors here. Nice. Yeah, thank you so much. So this is everything is static content except few blocks. That's the reason it's fast. I tried web, what is it called? WordPress, stuff like that. It's really slow. I just gave up. Alright guys, let me solve this. If you guys know how to fix this, sure. By the way, you see that intro profile picture, right? Yes, I do. I recall that. I don't know how to do that. What do you mean? Oh, inside, like coding wise. Okay. I would suggest to have the image even with the design, just have that direct image instead of applying the alpha on top of it. So I can, if you have that image, the circle bottom is nothing. It's just one division on top of another division. So yeah, that's the thing. It's really challenge to click that CSS paths. I would just say, and it would change based on the zoom. I would just say maintain the image. That should be fine. Well, Nanda seems interested, so friend him. I hate. You need to use absolute position. Don't use fixed, but use absolute. So for the parent div, it will be relative, but inner divs, I think you need to have like 6 or 5 divisions. So 2 divisions and then 2 divisions on top of each other. But it's not impossible. You can definitely do that. One day we can try sitting and trying to make it. It's definitely possible. Grid. Such things cannot be done in grid because you're overlapping things. So yeah, I'm trying to make an API call and it says poll. CSS is always hard to work. Yeah, try to work with table. Event ref current is at event.id. That's fine. Suppose. Same stack like me. Welcome to the new viewer. Welcome to the channel, bro. How should I call you? Welcome to the stream. Usually media queries, yeah, that's fine. CSS. Yeah, see you, man. See you. I have 15 more minutes. I need to fix this course issue. Even though I've just set it to allow anything, but it's still I'm still getting course with it. So normally, where is it? Main.go. This should be working fine. I don't know. Maybe I need to set it. Where is the app? I'll set it here. Yep, that's fine. Let's see. Okay, refresh. Well, obviously it failed. I'm not even getting any valid output. See, didn't get any output. Okay, let's test it. Now I have the token anyways, so it should start triggering and it gets course issue. What is strict when course refers policy? I have the X underscore API as well. Why am I getting the API? Does anyone know what am I missing? Use allow origin function. Normally, I believe this is enough, right? I don't know if my middleware is being executed or not in the first place. Yeah, looks like it. It's not. So probably I need to add something inside the React. Where is that poll? Poll. Fetch events. I don't have it or what? Yeah, poll events. Okay, this is the API function. And I have the token. That's basically what I wanted. Yeah, generally that's the thing. And to my knowledge, this should be fixed by just allowing me to do this. So this is my implementation of Fiber app. What did I change then? Server restart. Yeah, technically I can do that, but I should not be. Okay, let's go run main.go. This is like obviously refreshed from scratch. Sometimes air is not refreshing it as expected. Okay, that has been refreshed. Well, events definitely fail. Now it should start polling. Let's see. I'm missing something. I am missing something. Is it even making an API call? I don't think it is. Or else I can deploy this and see if it's only working with my cloud API. Did I have any other? I don't think I have any other course issues here. This is the only thing I changed. It's fiber coarse property allow origin function. Okay, I never saw that. Looks like it's worthy to study that. Fiber allow origin function. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's a middleware for Fiber that allows servers to specify which can access its resource and how. It's not a security feature, but a way to relax the security model of the browser for coarse origin requests. You can learn about coarse and okay. How the hell should I use it? This is what I'm using, isn't it? You can use allow origin function to programmatically determine whether to allow a request based on its origin. This is useful when you need to validate origins against a database or another dynamic sources. This function will return true if the origin is allowed or not. Where is the function return? Maybe I need to explore that little. But if I set it to true, I didn't really change those. Let's see what I changed in the previous commits. 6 days ago, yeah. What was the last change I did in the main? Where is main? I don't see any main.go function at all. That's the webhook. See, it's been like this. There are absolutely no changes for many long days. It was working fine before. So something I have changed something.
Is it a React change or is it a front-end change? This was how it is. If I set it to true, should I set it to true or not? For testing, I can just ignore these for now. What am I getting? Okay. I would need the output directly right here. So if I didn't use that allow origin function before, why should I have to use it now? Let's see how function this is. API key, that's expected. I will set an API key. Is it API or API? This is my temporary key anyway, so don't worry. It still says unauthorized. No API key. Is it how I said it? Where is the damn middleware here? Oh, it should be capital API. Okay. No worries. It's still unauthorized. Let's print. What are you working on, by the way? This is Amazon automation where it posts the deals automatically to Instagram, and then it also has a server to listen for the comments and DMs. All I have to do is just pick the links and just feed it to my backend. It would just generate the reel, upload to Instagram. Everything is automated. Everything is working fine. I'm just trying to apply some security layers. Yeah. Okay. I do see X API. I don't see capital API for some reason. Oh, looks like the browser is still working. I'm closing this. API. It's looking for this. Okay, that's totally fine. I make a request. Maybe it's running by string is null. Is it not how we fetch the information? I do have it here. Why is it still capital? It's still small. It's still running. Okay, plus unauthorized. I do have the token here right now. So it should be XAPI, and it will be. Oh, it doesn't matter if I give capital or small, it would take it. What? Let's say no token API. I definitely have an API here. It says invalid token. Oh, env token is not working. So let's go to my env verify token. That's the one I have. It says middleware. Verify token. Oh, probably I need to load the env first. What is the env? os.env lookup get set environment? No. Yeah, I need to set the env now. 1 second. Probably database. No. Instagram. Yeah, this is needed. This is needed. This is needed. I need to load the env. Where is it? API. What is the name env extension? It's the environment variable where you save those all your tokens, everything inside that file. And .env is an industry standard which is supported by all the programming languages. You can just fetch the files from it. That's basically the use case. Traditionally, that file should not be uploaded to Git or GitHub. Is done. No error so far. And once I have this, it should be enough to fetch it. Oh, yeah. So that is an extension I use. Oh, sorry, I didn't understand your question. Where is it? So that there is an extension I use, which is called, I guess it's called sensitive. This is the one, sensitive. It would hide all the tokens so that while I'm streaming, I can just trust on it. If I press this, it would be shown. If I copy this, it would be copied. But it needs to have token inside it. Without that, it will not hide it. You get the point? Yeah, it's cool. It's good. It's actually a lot useful when you're especially streaming. When you're not, you don't really need it. So let's go to the middleware, and I have to load that file, get env. I think that's what I'm actually doing already. File get env, that's os.get. That's perfectly fine. I'm doing the same. So let's see how it works now. Yep, it works now. It works definitely fine. So let's test it with the local host. What's happening? I'm still getting calls issue. If Postman lets my APIs to go through, why would this not? It's the same 3000. It's 3000. Poll events. Is this a different or 5173? Yeah, that's the React port. That's the React application port. Got 10 points. That's what I'm running my React website on, so that's expected, I guess. That's totally fine as well. Atom. So am I for some reason am I calling this function 2 times? If Postman is working, then it's definitely that should also work. All right, let's do a simple test in the React. So use effect. This is the gateway function I'm normally using. It would use fetch. I don't need this. Form fetch application.json. Does it? Is it needed? Is it possible for some reason? All right, let's make a normal fetch call. If that works fine, then it definitely works fine. Okay, total poll events. Okay. Oh, am I not doing a root? This is not needed, and inside headers. Then there is no need for dot. Then it's just fine. That's done. Polling error. I'm going to disable this for now. Let's see. It's still not working. Access to poll request is not error. I have no clue what's happening, guys. If you guys know how to fix this, please let me know. I'm running out of patience. It's almost 3 p.m. Maybe I need to take a break. I will go get some lunch and then come back. Probably by then I can fix this. All right. Peace. Alright, I feel like it's better to go. I'll get some lunch and come back and see what's the problem here. In the meantime, you guys continue, go to sleep. Peace, thanks for watching. Last minute call if you want to, guys, send any messages. It's the right time. If not, you can just text me on Discord. Peace. Good night. Bye bye. Thanks for